bag up.
Cheers.
Okay. And I dropped.
What? Okay, one other thing. A couple other things I want to talk about. That's actually $2.25 to start. So I don't know if there's something got switched on it on accident. Did you just do switches to different denominations?
Yeah, and isn't there a way?
And then also I want to get the doors working on the autos. And get those keep those closed because the birds.
Oh, dude, it even came with batteries.
Sweet.
I mean, they're probably only going to last a couple days, but...
Yeah, it looks good. Good job. Nice and clean. It's flowing nicely now.
Yeah, it's good now.
Yeah, here we go. They have like a wire tracer thing at Home Depot. It's meant for walls, and I was like thinking about it, like, I wonder if that would work.
Probably would. I wonder
As long as it's not buried too
I wonder
deep.
if Harbor Freight has a fucking wire trace.
I don't think they have a big one. I just found it's like this size, and it's got a little 9-volt thing on one side that you plug into your wire and trace it through the walls. So this is it right here. So I think this is just a tester. Here.
That's flowing really good now. All that you got all that sludge out of there, which will be good because it'll keep this tank cleaner. You know, because it's getting slowed down from being able to flow.
So
Oh, sweet.
turn this on to test. It's telling you which one it's sending power to. This is telling you which ones it's coming through on.
Lights, camera, action.
Yep.
Look good.
Yep. That's
Awesome.
end scene. You want to kill the water for me? The water?
Here, I'll get it.
That makes me feel better. So that makes me feel better. But if it's not too sludgy, if it's not too crazy bad, considering it's been at least 13 years since this was put in and that was installed. So, or 11 years from 2013. Learning. Yes. I like it.